Hi. I mean, I don't know what to say. Elyssa, can you take your top off? I mean, I don't understand what she's looking for in a man, but...
Whoa!
Something really weird.
What are you gonna do? Take off my shirt?
What the fuck?
Yeah,
Look, because I can do that on my own.
I mean, that's it. Because you were like reaching for my phone and
I was going to point at something. No, I really wasn't.
Oh yeah, Brianna was gonna take her picture today with her bra showing.
So what?
No. With just a sweater on, so that when she gets pulled over.
Yeah, I told her I should wear like. They care about what you look like when they pull you over, not what your license picture looks like.
When they might be like, ooh. Because I said if my license picture shows a lot of cleavage, maybe they'll look at it and be like, oh, okay, you can go. Don't. Is it true that you can't smile anymore in your license picture? Think about it. You can't smile. No, I smiled. I smiled. Oh, you took a picture? Yes. Oh shit.
Did you see it? No, they don't want you to see it now.
Does it look good? No, I look fat.
My sister, she's like, she was up there and then like, cause she was gonna retake her picture because she thought she looked weird, and the lady's like, "Speak your gun up, please," and she was like, "Oh, I'm not taking," and she fucking took it when she said, "I don't have gum." She's like, "No, I was talking." She's like, "I already sent it," or something. Saved
what a
it.
bitch.
Yeah. So she came out like.
She had the picture like what? Nuh-uh.
And so today I took a photocopy of this lady that became a member day, and she looked like a wet bird. She was a really old woman, and she had like a super slender neck, but like really long, and like really short hair, like shorter than mine. But it was kind of poofy. And she had glasses, and she was like a little like fat woman, but she had like a super long neck. She was like a wet bird.
That's rude.
I'm not recording anymore.
Why is the light on?
Fucking, I know.
It's really bright.
Can you guys stop fucking complaining?
This is bright.
I'm sorry, I don't like